Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to introduce you to the new version of the Zoho One experience. For years, what I've wanted to do is create a place where I can give you all the knowledge, all the information about Zoho One in one place where you don't even have to sign up. You can sign up if you want to, which will be a paid feature in the future, but everything is YouTube-related training and a place where you can get all the information for you and your team on Zoho One and their 40 plus apps in one place. So all you got to do is come to z1exp.com, the Zoho One experience. You don't have to type in Zoho, type CRM. We've got the Zoho CRM beginner training, Zoho CRM custom lessons, official Zoho videos, official Zoho latest training videos. And we go to the Zoho CRM section, we can see these are the beginner training videos. Here's the Q&A. Here's Zoho's official videos. And here's Zoho's latest. So you go to Zoho's latest video. You can
As your
watch,
business thrives with the...
and you can share, and you can go through everything. Obviously, at the minute, if there is no sign up, so you've got to go to their video if it's one of theirs and ask a question on their video. If it's one of my videos in Zoho CRM, same thing. If you go to introduction and you go to the beginner, you'll see my name. If this is one of my videos, then that'll jump to my video on YouTube. And this is where 45 plus apps for, I know it's gone up a little bit lately, but it's still one of the best. It's still one of the best deals online, if not the best, where you're paying $37 a month monthly for 45 apps, £45 a month, probably a little bit less in dollars, and there's a flexibility plan. But Zoho One, most of you are probably already signed up. It's my job to show you how good Zoho One can be. Then it's my job, but more importantly, Zoho's job, to give you all the training you need to get the most out of this insane package of apps. And that's what I've wanted to do. I've wanted to do it for ages. A place where you and your team don't need to sign up. You don't need to come here. You want to go to Zoho Recruit, look. There's Zoho Recruit videos. There's my videos. There's official Zoho Recruit videos from their YouTube channel. There's the latest videos, or the most watched and latest. And I think you can see it's an interactive thing now where you type away, you find something. I don't know, what would you do? Recruit. What would you put? Like interview, maybe? Interview. Something like that. It's going to bring up a lot of interviews with people, I think, this. But this will now search the apps, but then search 10,000 videos. And you can see, look, about interviews, about the test, Zoho School, Zoho Recruit, schedule video interview, Zoho Recruit interview to hire process explained. Again, one of my videos. But I think you can see that I've found a way to give you a lot more information, hopefully in a simpler website, and it's completely free. As I said, there will be a members option where you'll be able to actually, if you go to like here, there will be a comment section. So if you're a member, then you can comment directly on the page and I'll respond and try and get you the information. That is obviously for people that have tagged PNUK as a Zoho partner or who pay the membership fee. But hopefully I can over-deliver on that membership fee, over-deliver on sign-ups, and get you the most out of Zoho One. So I get commission on Zoho One sign-ups for 1 year. So for 1 year, you've got full access if you've signed up with me. And I'm going to give you, like Greg here, I'm going to give you links to Greg, who's an expert on more sort of back-end customer setups and things like that. He does a lot of cool stuff. What was he doing? He did, what's the Company's House, right? Company's House. If you type in Company's House, you should get one of Greg's extensions. A video about his extension here, look, automatically import Company's House data to Zoho CRM. Assistant extensions set up, right? So this is Greg, another Zoho expert who's doing custom extensions we want to find out, what do you need, what's missing. Should Zoho be providing it? Can we provide a custom extension or something to give you full value for that? What was it, 47 a month? 37 a month, 45 a month. Obviously in different currencies it's a little bit different. But the value should be given in a huge way. And I hope you can see, you know, if there's a lot of things I've not been able to do, maybe books. You don't have to type in, you could type in books, like Zoho Books, latest official videos, Zoho Books, most watched videos. So even if I haven't got a course on it, I've not built a little course on it, there's already like 100 videos here. So Zoho Books in Hindu, how to file GSTR1. If you'd have searched that, it would have come up. And what I'm going to be doing is monitoring what they type. You know, if somebody Googles import contacts to Zoho Books, right? If somebody types this in, and it's probably not going to find anything, because that's a very specific sort of niche where I need to make my search a little bit less. It's a bit like you've got to say it in the right order of words. If it's not bringing anything up, I'll be looking in the back end and go, oh, somebody needs that. And I want to provide something. I want to provide a place where this becomes like a social network, where if you go to your profile, as I fix the profiles, maybe you can put, I'm looking for this. I can't seem to find this. And if I can find a video on it, I'll share a link to it, or I'll put a link, or I'll make a video, depending on what people need and what is being missed. But hopefully, this is like the first incarnation or the first phase of what I hope will be a really useful site for not just me, for not just my Zoho One signups, for all Zoho customers, for all Zoho teams. I want to get you in and out, no messing about, and no sign up, right? Everything in here is public information, free to all, so you don't need to sign up. I just want people to be able to dive in and get what they need, and I hope you find this interesting. Let me know feedback. Let me know what you think should be added. Let me know what would be interesting or what you've not seen that you would need if you want help on. I don't seem to have links. Have I broke the links? The links should be, if you go to Zoho CRM, in fact, if you just type in CRM, every page should have links to Zoho support, Zoho's knowledge base, Zoho's information, right? Look, Zoho CRM on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn. And then here, look, yeah, click to their official support. I want to give you everything in such an easy place that you're not wasting your time trying to find information. Where do I contact Zoho support? Where do I log into my Zoho? Stuff like that. And I want to make it better and better and better so that you don't have to waste any time because you've got enough on with your business rather than prattling about. Right, so I've waffled on. Hopefully you can see the 2024 version of Zoho One, the Zoho One experience, is going to be a lot more interactive, and it's actually a lot easier for me to run because I can keep everything up to date in the way the back end is running, rather than the old structure of fixed training courses were just too hard for me to manage and keep up to date. But this is going to be, hopefully, a very good addition to your Zoho One arsenal. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Paul at PNUK Punk Training out.